Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming what you have: a wired Corsair keyboard, a Corsair wireless dongle, or a Bluetooth model. Once done, make sure your Ps5 is on the latest system version and a USB port is free. Use a powered hub for wireless dongles if needed. Plug the wired keyboard into a front or rear USB port now, or insert the Corsair dongle. These first actions connect physical layers, so the Ps5 can detect the device and proceed to pairing or configuration. Next, pair and configure the keyboard. For Bluetooth keyboards, put the keyboard in a pairing mode, then navigate Settings, Accessories, Bluetooth Accessories on the Ps5 and select the device when it appears. For Corsair wireless dongles, insert the dongle into a powered USB port and wait for the dongle and keyboard LEDs to sync. Avoid unpowered hubs. For wired keyboards, go to Settings, Accessories, External Keyboard to choose Layout, Key Repeat Delay, and Language. These steps ensure the Ps5 uses correct. Finish by testing the keyboard in a text field and in an in-game chat to confirm functionality and special keys. Make sure you set the correct keyboard layout and tweak repeat delay under external keyboard settings if characters are incorrect. If the keyboard fails to pair or keys behave oddly, the one-key troubleshooting tip is to connect the keyboard via a wired USB cable or update the Corsair keyboard firmware using iCUE on a PC. This often resolves compatibility or pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.